The world of digital currencies is full of exciting opportunities. But did you know that one of the easiest and most attractive ways to strengthen your digital currency portfolio is to get free tokens from airdrops? Airdrops allow you to easily get free cryptocurrency without spending money or doing complicated work. This process can involve very simple tasks, such as joining a Telegram group, sharing posts on social networks, or even holding a certain digital currency for a period of time. If you want to know how you can make the best use of these airdrops and strengthen your investment portfolio, this article is for you. In the following, you will get to know If you want to know how you can make the best use of these airdrops and strengthen your investment portfolio, this article is for you. In the following, you will get to know and learn how to easily take advantage of these opportunities. Stay with us. It is a free website that collects information about cryptocurrency airdrops. This site is completely free to use, and this platform has no involvement in airdrop projects or their distribution. Airdrops.io site activity started in March 2018, and since then, tens of thousands of airdrop enthusiasts visit this website every month. The site contains a large amount of airdrops and tries to provide users with accurate and up-to-date information. However, it's important to do your research before investing in any airdrop to ensure its authenticity and safety. After entering the site, you will see the list of airdrops, which includes all available airdrops. Airdrops are divided into 3 groups. Latest airdrops group. This section contains new airdrops that may be worth checking out. Hottest airdrops group. This group includes popular tokens that are highly anticipated by the community. Potential airdrops. This group includes projects whose airdrops have not yet been officially confirmed, but there is a possibility of airdrops. The home page shows basic information such as the name of the airdrop, its approximate value, and the requirements for receiving the airdrop. By clicking on any airdrop in the list, you will be taken to a page that provides more complete information about the project and how to participate in that airdrop. On this page, you will also find a step-by-step guide to receiving the airdrop and links to join the campaign. Overall, helps you find links to airdrop forms easily. This is a great way to avoid the usual ads and referrals to other websites. In addition to the 3 main categories on the front page of the site, the airdrops on this website fall into 3 general categories, which are DeFi return airdrops. Did you miss the initial Uniswap, 1inch, or DYDX airdrops where early adopters received large amounts of free tokens? Don't worry, airdrops.io has a list of decentralized protocols and platforms that don't yet have a specific token, but may introduce their own token in the future. It seems that engaging with these top platforms can increase your chances of qualifying for potential return airdrops in the future. Note, it is only speculation that new DeFi platforms will introduce their governance token or how they will distribute it. Therefore, there is no guarantee of getting free tokens from these projects. At worst, you might just lose your transaction fee, but at best you might get a free airdrop. In this list, there are active Telegram airdrops, which include the latest opportunities from mini-apps, game demonetization bots, and interactive campaigns. This archive is updated regularly and contains detailed guides for each airdrop that will help you earn free points and tokens by interacting with bots, completing tasks in mini-apps, and participating in communities. Non-fungible tokens are unique tokens on the blockchain that represent real or virtual assets, such as artwork, images, or other types of digital files. Tokenized artworks, such as CryptoPunks, became very popular in 2021, and many NFTs gain a lot of value. Hence, we are now seeing many new projects and artists decide to airdrop NFTs for free. In this category, provides a list of available NFT airdrops. To discover airdrop opportunities, you can use the following methods. Following up on official announcements of projects, follow reputable airdrop sites, such as IO. Join active crypto communities. Tracking blockchain activities through explorers, participation in channels and project groups in Discord and Telegram, setting up notification systems, and research on future developments of protocols to receive airdrops. It is very important to pay attention to the following details. Wallet setup and security. Create dedicated wallets for receiving airdrops. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage. Keep private keys secure. Enable two-factor authentication. And maintain separate hot wallets for receiving airdrops. Verification steps. Connecting valid wallets, verifying social accounts, taking into account application deadlines, meeting minimum balance requirements, and keeping records of activities. Technical requirements. Maintaining sufficient balance for gas fees, using compatible wallets, enabling correct network settings, backing up wallet information request tracking, regularly updating wallet software, and checking smart contract compatibility. The process of requesting and demanding airdrops varies from project to project. Some hold-based airdrops automatically deposit tokens into wallets of users who hold a specific currency. Some projects are based on snapshots, and only users who have the required token at a certain time or block will be able to receive it. Bounty airdrops are another way to get free tokens through. Participate in these airdrops, you will usually need an active social media account, such as Facebook or Twitter. Because projects reward users for activities, such as following and contributing to social media accounts, joining community channels on Discord or Telegram, sharing project announcements and updates, participating in community discussions, and creating content about the project. The most important advantages of are different airdrop categories. The I/O site offers a great list of recent airdrops, divided into 3 categories: hot, new, and potential. This segmentation allows visitors to evaluate the different types of airdrops available. Airdrop notifications. Airdrops are usually distributed at a specific time interval. If you are not on the waiting list when the airdrop is activated, you may miss out. The I/O site helps its users to be notified as soon as an airdrop is activated. Airdrops are easy and free. Airdrops may seem free and easy, but I/O wants its users to treat airdrops like the real deal and pay attention to airdrop notifications. Transparency. Trust and transparency are the main pillars of successful crypto transactions. The I/O site fulfills these characteristics in all aspects. This website has a separate page that guides users on how to make secure transactions. In this section, users are asked to avoid using weak passwords and never send cryptocurrency to receive airdrops. Also, this website allows users to access information on listed projects. In this way, you can know before investing whether a project is real and has potential. Donate to charity. I/O site is a free place to receive airdrops, and you don't pay anything to use the website. But if you want, you can help the charity by using cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Rating airdrops. Unlike other airdrop sites, I/O allows you to rate different projects. You can see what other users voted for and why they chose that particular route by looking at the scores next to each project's name on the airdrop page. Limited information about the founders. Information about the founders, creators, and partners associated with the I/O site is not available at this time. Crypto enthusiasts like to know who is behind a crypto project. Some airdrops require KYC. Some airdrops listed on the I/O site require you to authenticate through a Know Your Customer process, which may be inconvenient for some crypto fans. To protect yourself from fake projects and scams, you should follow these steps. 1. Verification of the legitimacy of the project. 2. Using separate wallets to receive airdrops. 3. Checking the code of smart contracts. 4. Monitoring community feedback. 5. Follow security protocols. 6. Using the cold storage method. 7. And conducting regular security audits. 8. In addition to these, you should also avoid common mistakes, including 9. Never share your private keys. 10. Follow the official channels. 11. Avoid suspicious links. 12. Do thorough research on the project. 13. And use only official sources. If you're looking to profit from the crypto world, airdrops can be a great place to start. By following the latest airdrops and benefiting from expert analysis and detailed guides, you can take advantage of the unique chances in this exciting space.